Hi, in this session, we will see how Git and VS Code are working together, which means that if you are using VS Code, how exactly Git will work, or how exactly you will do the things which are related to the Git. That's the intention of this topic. So, whatever you have done by means of the commands, all that things you can do from the VS Code directly. I'm going to show you the demo in the next video. Then there is something called as source control view. If you see, just click over here. Can you see source control? And inside this, you will see the tracked files, untracked files. Inside this view, you can see what is getting tracked by means of VS Code. So same thing, whenever we type the git status, it has shown us the files which are getting tracked. Same file you can see over here. That is the source control view. Git push, commit and the push. So first what you need to do, you need to enter a message over here. If you remember, at the time of committing, git commit /m message, that message is over here. So if you use a git commands, you need to do everything on your own. But if you use the VS Code, remember that you get a classical user interface. But internally, same things are happening. There is no difference. Internally, git commands are getting fired only. There is no difference, right? But you get a classical interface. Then commit. So here you will commit. And can you see, here are the options for pull, push, clone. All these options we have seen. So these just 3 dots over here. Click on the 3 dots and here you will see all that options. Even sometimes what happens, your tracked files and untracked files are not getting updated. Just click on this refresh button. It will start showing those things. Then branch management, we will see. You don't know presently what do you mean by branch. We are going to see in the next session, but still I will show you in the VS Code where you see the branches. Can you see here? So these are the branches you can see. You can create the new branch from a lot of other things you can do over here. Here is one button and here is another button which will show you related to Git. Remember that. Then Git history and the blame annotations. We'll see this thing. What do you mean by blame? We will see. And how do you check the Git history? That also we will see. Right. That also we will see. Now, whenever I will show you the demo, at that time we will see. Now here if we can see Git integration, Git extensions and the plugins. Or you can simply say just Git extensions, just remove the plugins. Git has a lot of extensions. Just go here. A lot of extensions you can install actually. Git lens. One of the, can you see Git graph also? Git lens. Git lens is one of the extension that, okay, let us see this extension pack. When you say extension pack, can you see Git lens, conventional Git commits, right? Then checkpoints and Git file history. So by means of such extensions, you can visualize the Git graphs, what exactly happening. So this also Git history and other things can also be done by means of specific extensions, right? Classical extensions are available and you can use them. That's what the Git extension is. You can use the Git extensions. Well, I will not use any extensions. I will stick to do the manual work so that you will understand the things. But if you can use the Git lens and other things line by line, who has written this line, that part also visible to you. That is nothing but what the Git lens is. So Git file history, you will see detailed history of the Git file. And who does that thing? That is the responsibility of this extension. Well, there are a lot of other ways, even by means of the command also we can do that. Now say terminal integration. We have seen VS Code is having built-in terminal. If you remember, we have used the third-party terminal, and then we have fired commands like git and other thing. Can you see? All that things you can do inside this terminal itself, integrated terminal of the VS Code. That's what nothing but what the terminal integration. So in this video, what we have seen, we discussed little things about the features of the VS Code in terms of the Git. In the next video, we will try to do some practical. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.